This, this is what you get when it rains a lot. Look at this. Holy smokes. Look at that. Look at that. There was no water there at one time. Look at that. This just happened. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at this. Look what I'm doing. Look at that. That's too much. Oh good Lord. Look at that. Holy shit. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see how far it goes. Oh, it's gonna wet me. That's what it's gonna do. It's gonna wet my sock. Look at my truck. Oh, look at that. Look at his floating wheels. Oh shit. Oh man, look at this. Looks like a pond here. Look at this. Holy. Oh man. Look at that. Oh man. Look at all this water. Oh shit. I almost got my damn boot. I was soaking. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, look at my feet. Oh shit, look at this. Look at that. Oh man. Wow. Incredible. Look at this. It looks like a river. Oh man. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'll go over here and take a picture. Hard to walk on. Look, there's one of my gloves over. Oh man. Incredible. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this. All the way to the street. Oh man. Look at that. Oh shit. It's my front yard right there. Look at that. That's my front yard. Holy smokes. God. Look at this. This goes to my wheel, to my spare wheel. Floating away. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. I don't know where I put this water. Oranges are floating away. Man. Look at that. See the ice? Oh, man. It's starting to sprinkle again. Dirty. Yeah. Man. I've never seen it like this. This is incredible. This is something else here. This is something else here. Huh? Hang on. What? What? The gas tank? Okay. Oh man. Look at this. Wheels. Oh, I see the gas can, yeah. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh man. There's the gas can. Gas can just floating away. Oh man. Huh? Oh man, look at this. Man, that's incredible right there, man. Shoot, I'll be back. I'm gonna go over there real quick. I'll be right back. I'm videotaping right now, dude. Oh, I'm so scared. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta go check it out real quick. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what this rain did. I guess this is what they call an atmospheric river. Man, look at this extension cord in the water. Shock that don't get electrocuted. Holy shit, man, look at that. Oh, man. This is over. Oh, man, my multimeter. Dang it, did it again. Shoot. Gosh darn it. I hope this is a good multimeter. I left it out. Oh, boy. Look at it, I left the multimeter out again. That's twice. Dang it. Here. Dry it up here. Here, we're good. Put it over there. Thank you. All right. All right. Well, let it come back this way. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go there and check in and come back. Gotta go to work real quick and see what's going on. It's a wonderland. I got it in my truck. Oh, she's all weird. I'm scared. I'm here to protect you. Shit, I don't know if I can get out of here. Let's see if I can. All right. Anyway, just wanted. What? Okay. Man. Anyway, I'm Showtime and I'm out of here. Fresno, California.